Okay, now let's cut the sleeve piece. I have decided that my blouse is not going to have a band at the end of the sleeve, so I'm just going to have a sleeve piece. Traditionally, the traditional Meri blouses usually have a band on the sleeve, but I'm not going to do that because I want to wear this blouse as a leisure wear during summer, just around the home. So, and I want it to be airy and flowy, so that is why. And I'm going to cut a narrower sleeve also. So I'm measuring 16 centimeters here for my sleeve piece. So it's 16 centimeters. Measure 16 centimeters and cut. And we cut. Okay, this here is my 16 centimeters band. That's the sleeve of the blouse. So I'm going to cut this off at this fold here, fold of the fabric. And I have two pieces. One for the right side and one for the left side. I'll have two pieces for the sleeves, for the right and left side sleeves. I hope they're not too short. That's fine, I guess they'll be alright. Okay, this is the sleeve of the blouse. And I'm going to measure 27 centimeters because the sleeve of the blouse is actually 54 centimeters. Because I have it on a fold, I am measuring 27 centimeters. That's 27 times 2 is 54. So let's see. Let me mark it. 27. That's going to be the sleeve of the blouse. That's times 2. I'll have 2 sleeves. Okay, here I have the sleeve piece placed on the bodies, the 2 pieces of the bodies that are folded in half. So we're going to cut out the armhole. Am I in view? Okay. So I have here 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. And then I'm going to measure down 17 centimeters down to here. And then I mark this like this. 17 to 10. And this is going to be the armhole. I have to cut this before this thing dries and I won't be able to see. This is going to be the armhole. Hopefully I'm not messing this thing up. Alrighty. I guess I'm okay. That's that, and you have your bodice. Now we're going to sew along here, make a fold, and we sew like this. And also along this place, like we did here. These are the sleeve pieces, sleeves that are going to get attached to the bodice now. 2 sleeves. Okay, this is the bodice piece, the front and the back, with the armholes cut out already now. So now we're going to connect the sleeves to the armhole like this. Then we sew this. Sew one side to the front and one side to the back and one side to the front like this. No, I'm cranky. Actually like this, yeah. Like that. Then we'll do this sew. We pin them together, face, and we do this sew before we attach the whole thing to the neck piece.